Hey sleepers, Keith here from Tuck. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Nolah Signature mattress. This is a 12-inch flippable foam bed and it's Nolah's luxury higher end offering. But how does it stack up against our tests? Keep watching to find out. Helping us test the mattress today, we have lightweight sleeper Rachel, average weight sleeper Charles, and heavyweight sleeper Neil. To unbox the Nolah Signature mattress, grab a friend and move the bed to its final destination. Take the roll-packed mattress out of the cardboard box and cut open the plastic. Give it about 12 to 24 hours to fully recover. The Nolah Signature is a 12-inch flippable foam mattress. The cover is made from organic cotton. If you're sleeping on the soft side of the mattress, the comfort layers consist of 2.5 inches of AirFoam above 1.5 inches of high resiliency polyfoam. If you're sleeping on the firm side of the mattress, the comfort layer consists of 1 inch of AirFoam. The support core is composed of 7 inches of high density polyfoam. The Signature is a flippable foam mattress, and it actually is a little bit slower to respond and a little more conforming than your average all foam mattress. If you're sleeping on the softer side, it's about a 4 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium soft mattress. And if you're sleeping on the firm side, it's about a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. It is worth noting that while the Nolah Signature is a flippable mattress, you have to remove and replace the cover to flip the bed. To gauge support, we look at the spinal alignment of all three of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. We found that the Nolah Signature provided adequate support for average and heavyweight sleepers and a little bit better support for lightweight sleepers. We recommend heavier weight sleepers use the firmer side of the mattress for extra support. To illustrate motion isolation, we put our heavyweight sleeper Neil on one side of the bed and a glass filled with water on the opposite side of the bed. As you can see, when Neil flips and flops around his side of the bed, you really can't see that water or glass move at all. The more deeply conforming qualities of the Nolah Signature actually help to keep motion from transferring across the surface of the bed. Taking a look at edge support, you'll notice that all three of our sleepers sank fairly significantly when sitting on the edge of the bed. When sleeping close to the edge of the bed, all three sleepers felt stable enough, but our heavier weight sleeper felt a bit of that roll off. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell just how much pressure a mattress can relieve from a sleeper's body. Surprisingly, we found almost identical readings between the soft and the firm side of the mattress. You'll see that light and average weight sleepers receive a bit more pressure relief than heavyweight sleepers on the Nolah Signature. There looks to be just a little bit of red on the shoulders and hips of all three of our sleepers when laying on their side, but overall looks pretty good. When assessing temperature neutrality, we found that the Nolah Signature does trap some heat, especially in the softer side where sleepers tend to sink more deeply into the mattress. The firmer side of the mattress was a little bit better, and that was largely due to the fact that sleepers didn't sink as deeply into the mattress. Now, let's check in with our sleepers. All right, Neil, what did you think of the Nolah Signature?
It was okay. It's comfy, a bit too soft for my taste. I did enjoy the firm side a bit better, but just kind of felt like I was sinking down into it too much.
I felt like it didn't quite provide me enough support that I was looking for. The firmer side was a little bit better, but this side was just a bit too soft for my liking.
The firm side is well done, but I prefer softer, but it's just a little too soft for my liking.
And then edge support. So when you slept close to the side of the bed, did you feel supported or like you might roll off?
It was a soft mattress, so I didn't have all the support that I would have wanted, but it actually held on pretty well.
Well, thanks so much.
Yeah, you got it.
Now let's take a look at how the Nolah Signature stacked up in our mattress tests. The mattress has a foam feel and is conforming and slower to respond, and more so on the soft side. For support, we rated the mattress very good for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation was very good, and edge support was fair. Pressure relief was very good for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. And lastly, temperature neutrality was fair. All right, so here are a couple takeaways based on our mattress testing. If you prefer a bouncier inner spring mattress, the Nolah Signature is not for you. It is a very soft foam feel. If you prefer a firmer mattress or a heavier sleeper, probably not gonna wanna go with the Nolah Signature. It is flippable and there is a firmer and a softer side, but we found that both sides are actually fairly soft. Even though this mattress is flippable, it's worth noting that you have to unzip the cover, flip the mattress, and then put the cover back on, which does take a little bit of work, so it's not actually an easy job to flip the mattress. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. Couples will find that the Nolah Signature isolates motion to a significant degree, so might really like it. If you're a light to average weight sleeper and prefer a softer bed, this could be a great option. There are 2 firmness options. We found it to be fairly soft on both sides, but it does give you the ability to adjust at home. Here's some additional information you might want to know before purchasing the Nolah Signature. The mattress comes with a 120-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 15-year warranty. For up-to-date discounts and pricing information, check the description below or visit the full written review on tuck.com. That's it for our Nolah Signature review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. And if you have any questions at all, comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Visit tuck.com, our Facebook, and our Twitter account to get all the latest in sleep product news and to enter one of our awesome giveaways. Sleep well.